Hello, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today's video is called Daily Dinner Bell because I'm just going to show you what I did. So I used this Berman 3 cheese floret stuffed shells, already pre-frozen, $2.99. I got that at Aldi's. I used 1 pound, which is 1 jar of the Prego roasted garlic and herb, and I got that 5 jars for $5, and then you got the third one for free. So under $1 for that. And then I put the frozen stuffed shells in my Tupperware Micro Pro Grill, and this is how it turned out. The lid, the rubber piece isn't hot, but this is hot. So when you put it down, you flip it over like that and lay it down until it cools. I like mine a little brown, but I did use a little bit of my mozzarella cheese that I got at Sam's Club for $4.89. I used probably about a little chunk like that, and I used it inside my Tupperware shredder and just shredded it up. Put that over the top. First, I cooked this. I cooked the pasta, just the pasta shells and the Prego sauce. I put the Prego sauce on the bottom, layered the little stuffed shells on top, and then put more sauce over the top. I cooked it in the Micro Pro Grill for 10 minutes on the casserole setting, because there is 2 settings. One's a grill and one's a casserole. So I had it on the grill setting. Took it out, but that little piece of cheese that I shredded up, which shredded up to be in about, a little bit, maybe about 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. And I sprinkled that over the top really well. Now, let's get into this. It said to cook it in the microwave until it came out at 165, and it came out for me at 167. So once I put the cheese in there, I then cooked it for another 5 minutes, and that just brought it just shy of what it was supposed to be at. It was like at 157, so I put it in for another 4 minutes. And take some of that stuff, put it on the top. So you probably want 2. Now I haven't tried them, so it's kind of like a review on these too. But how can you go wrong, right? And the little bit of browning, if you don't want that, you could put a little bit of your, you can use wax paper if you want to put over the top to help it prevent that from browning, or parchment paper would work better. All right. Let me cut into this. There we go. Let's cut into this. It smells amazing. I'm trying to show you the stuffing. You see it? Inside there. And that was 3 cheese stuffing, 1's Parmesan, mozzarella, and a rich blend of ricotta. Sounds like it's just like mine. That is what we're having for dinner tonight. And it's hot. Hot. Wow, it's pretty good. I definitely give it a thumbs up. I got to use my Micro Pro Grill and cooked it up really nice. So the Micro Pro Grill heats up to 425 degrees with your lid on, and that's what makes your food so pretty golden brown and a little bit of dark right there, but you know what? I'll eat it because I think it tastes good. If you want to check out for the links on my Tupperware link is below. That's the Fusion Shredder. And this is the Micro Pro Grill. As always, thank you for stopping by. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.